Welcome to NCCD360. In this video, we'll walk through the platform together so you can feel confident navigating the system in your day-to-day work. In this video, I'll show you how to track your NCCD applications. From the home page, use the menu on the left-hand side and click on Applications. This will take you to the NCCD applications list. Inside the Applications page, you can search by typing the student's name or student ID. Once you find the application you're looking for, you'll be able to see its status. It may be listed as draft, which means it is still being updated. It may be submitted, meaning it has been sent for review. Or it may be approved by the reviewer. To open an application, click Actions. From here, you can edit the application, add an observation, or upload evidence. For more detailed guidance on how to upload and view evidences, please refer to our previous video titled How to Upload, View and Track Evidence. Once the application is complete, it can be submitted for internal review. Before submitting, you'll go through a checklist to ensure all required sections are completed. When everything is checked and confirmed, you can submit the application. The internal reviewer will then receive it. From there, they can request additional documents or information, or approve the application. You're now ready to start exploring student applications in NCCD 360. In the next video, we'll continue through the platform and cover the next steps.